Since you'll be arriving after 6 o'clock in the evening, you might wish to make a guaranteed reservation. This ensures that your reservation in our hotel will not be cancelled. You can arrive anytime you want. Would you like to guarantee your reservation, Ms. Ocampo?
Yes. Do you take American Express card?
Yes, Ms. Ocampo, we do. May I have your credit card number and its expiration date?
The number is 123-567-890-1234 and it expires December 2012.
Fine, ma'am. Your guaranteed reservation is confirmed for a non-smoking suite. Your reservation confirmation number is 396MB505. My name is Anne, and we will send you a letter of confirmation, which you should present at the front desk upon arrival. If your plans change and you have to cancel or amend the booking, please call the hotel before 6 o'clock in the evening. Do you have any other questions, Ms. Ocampo?
No, that's it. If there be any change, I will call you alright.
Thank you as well, Ms. Ocampo. Have a nice day.